So I'm going to go through it really quick so you can see it all the way around. Getting the stretch right underneath my jawline, right underneath my ear, behind my ear, in through my neck. Okay, little static rotations here, opening up the terminus. And then from behind. In. Okay, overlap my strokes. Feel those bristles just come right off. Open up your jawline. Okay, I'm just coming right off the ridge, swooping out. I'm going to come around my mouth, corner of my nose down, right on my laugh line, overlap my strokes, coming up, right to my nose, right? Coming in here, both ways, making sure that connection, everything below my cheekbone needs to be clear before I start to work up around the eyes. Okay, working up around my eyes, or I can come in this way. Follow it through, a little bit of stretch, and that will be it.